All right, this is the elevator here at the outlet shops at Laredo in Laredo, Texas. We have a Schindler 3300. Got that orange cab down to the parking level. It's a Schindler 3300. I think it's installed in 2013. Not so sure about it. Gotta love that floor passing shine, but here at P, at the parking level. Up to 2. Door close works. Here we go up. This is elevator number 2. We're at 2. Right down the one we'll end there. Coming down?
Yes.
Alright. What floor?
First floor.
The first floor. Alright. I'm going there too. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Alright. Let's do a cabbie before we get off. Your nice Schindler 3300 elevator. And right here are your fixtures. Too late. It's going down. Sorry, just this thing suddenly went down, but we're gonna go up to 1. We're gonna end the video there. So we're doing another ride on this. Coming up?
Yeah.
What floor?
9.
1?
Is it okay?
Yeah. All right. All right. All right, here we're back now. So, all right. So there it goes, and that's it.